Problem number 20. Problem number 28. Using trapezoidal rule and dividing the interval of equation into three equal intervals, n equal to 3, the definite integral. So what is the value of higher limit? 1, lower limit is -1. So h is equal to modulus of b minus a by n. So modulus of b is 1, minus of minus plus 1 by n is 3. So h value is 2 by 3. Are you getting? No? Yes. Come on. X. What is x? X value is, I have to start from -1 and I have to reach up to 1. So -1, -1 plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is 1. Then f of x, what is f of x? Only mod x. So wherever negative is there, that will convert to positive. 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1. So after getting up to this point, I have to find by using this thing, by using trapezoidal rule. So h by 2, that is what? 2 by 3 by 2, first term plus last term, 1 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Okay, so I am getting it as 1.311. 1.311. Okay, next problem number 29. Problem number 29 is what? The velocity in kilometer per minute of a motorbike starts from rest. It starts from rest. Okay, this is the highlighting point. Is given at fixed intervals. Approximate distance by using Simpson's 1/3 rule. It is starting at rest. So at start velocity is 0, at time t 0. If you won't take this thing, entire thing will go wrong. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now you have to go for Simpson 1/3 rule. So Simpson 1/3 rule is total is 2 time distance interval 2 by 3 into first term 0, last term 0 plus 4 into odd, that is 10 plus 25 plus 32 plus 11 plus 2, then plus 2 into 18 plus 29 plus 20 plus 5. Okay, the value I am getting it as 309.34. This is the value I am getting for problem number 29. Okay, then let us solve problem number 30. Problem number 30, the error in numerically computing the integral using trapezoidal rule with three intervals. You have to find the error here. Okay, how will you find error? So how will you find error? It's very easy, right? Just by using trapezoidal rule. I will tell you procedure, you people just practice this thing. Okay, so trapezoidal rule, you have to apply trapezoidal rule and you have to go for exact differentiation of this thing. Okay, I will do for you people. Question number 30 is integral of 0 to pi sin x plus cos x, so after that you can just apply trapezoidal rule. How can you apply? 0, higher limit is pi, lower limit is 0 by how many intervals? 3 intervals, n equal to 3. So pi by 3, each time I have to use pi by 3 and I have to reach up to pi. Pi by 3, 2 pi by 3 and pi. So the values I am getting, substitute pi by 3, sin pi by 3 plus cos pi by 3, 1.3666, 0.3666 minus 1. Okay, so apply trapezoidal rule. Pi by 3 by 2 into 1 first term minus 1 last term plus the 2 into 1.366 plus 0.366. So what is the value you are getting? I am getting it as 1.8137. Okay, also you people know how to solve this particular integral by using exact differentiation. Apply integration of sin x dx and apply integration of cos x dx and apply the limit 0 to pi. I am directly giving you the value of this interval. Okay, so what is the value you are going to get? I am going to give that thing only. So apply. I am just calculating the value. Wait a minute. So I am getting the value as 3.226. Okay, then error is equal to what? Error is equal to exact value, that is 3.266 minus trapezoidal rule value 1.8137. So upon solving, what you will get? 1.2817. No, so we are getting it as approximately 2, so you have to fill in here as 2. Thank you.